Hello everyone, today we're doing an unboxing of Roku Ultra 4K streaming media player with JBL headphones and 6-foot HDMI cable. The cable came this way. It has 1080p on HD TV, 4K/60 Ultra on 4K UHD TV, Dolby Audio, voice control, lost remote finder, and night listening mode. Alright, we will take a look at the box. Look at it from a distance. Okay, up close. Okay. Okay, let's see what's in the box. We have the media player. Power in, HDMI, micro SD, Ethernet, USB, alright, let's see what else is in here. Starter guide. The remote. Headphone jack. Just like my other one I have. Power up, power down. Headphones. Yes, I believe. Batteries. Power bar. And I think that is pretty much it. Okay. That is everything that came in the box right there. Alright, now let's try to compare the device with other things. We have a 43.3 ounce cover to a Tupperware dish. As you can see, it's almost the same size. Now, we have a battery you buy from Walmart for the big flashlights. You could probably get 2 of these, or 1.5. They're almost same in length. And this is Google Mini, which you could put right on the Roku. Okay. That was the comparison part of the video. Alright, we'll take a quick look at what's in the package here. Oh, Roku stickers. I don't know if you can see that. More information. And the manual. Alright, that is everything there is in the box right there for the Roku Ultra. Thank you all for stopping by and watching, and if you like the videos I do, please hit like and subscribe, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.